The detached chain or lazy daisy stitch looks very similar to a teardrop here. So to make this stitch, we want to bring our needle up from the back of the fabric. We'll hold our thread in the direction of our curve or the teardrop portion, and then we go back down in the same spot we came up. And you want to be careful not to catch your knot on your thread. So we hold our thread here and we gently tug our needle so you make a nice open loop on the front of our fabric. Then we're going to bring our needle up from the back of the fabric. We want to come up inside that loop right where we want the top of our teardrop to go. And we gently tug, pulling our thread towards the top of that loop so we get a nice circle of thread flush on the fabric here. Then I'm going to make a short little stitch right around the top of that loop to hold my detached chain stitch in place, like so. And that is the detached chain stitch.